This video is going to show you how to use Google Sheets to calculate the mode for your statistics project. So I want the mode for my adults and the mode for my kids. Now I'm going to go back to my data on my sheets, and you can go through and look to see which one occurs the most. Sometimes it's fairly easy. Like for me, adults would be 0 as my mode. But sometimes it's not as easy. And so if you have the formula, like we use the formula for the median and we use the formula for mean, we can also use the mode formula. So I just want to show you how to use the mode formula. That way you don't have to go count it unless you want to. All right, so we're still going to use the equal sign, but this time we're going to type in mode, open parentheses. And again, just like the median, we're going to use the first value, the exact same first value as the median, and the exact same last value as the median. And so my mode is 0, and that makes sense. And then let me see what my mode for my kids is. I'm going to do the same thing, equals mode, open parentheses, D99 to D203. And if you're not sure what I'm doing right here, that I'm putting in the D99, the D203, go back and watch the video on median, and it shows you what those cells are. So for me, my D2 is this cell right here, and then my D99 is my last cell for, or excuse me, D98 is my last cell for my adults, and then my D99 to D203 are my first and last cells for my kids for my numerical data. So that's how you would do the mode. The next video is going to show you how to do mean absolute deviation.